a few frequently asked questions about MetaPWR. For example, is this product sustainably sourced? Can it be used with other doTERRA supplement regimens? Is it safe for kids and teenagers? I'll answer these questions and others, but if you have a question about the MetaPWR product line that isn't answered in this course, you can reach out to the member services team. First, many people want to know whether MetaPWR is safe to use during pregnancy and breastfeeding. As a rule, expecting and breastfeeding mothers should always consult with their healthcare provider about anything they plan to take during pregnancy or while nursing. MetaPWR is no exception. Talk to your provider about your situation, but we know of no ingredients in MetaPWR products that would make using them unsafe during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Another common question is, what does the MetaPWR Advantage powder taste like, and how do I take it? MetaPWR Advantage has a delightful orange lemon flavor. To take the powder, mix in with cold or room temperature water, but not hot. Mix vigorously in a shaker bottle or blend it into your smoothie, drinking immediately. Some people have wondered why we chose marine-sourced collagen for MetaPWR Advantage. Our marine collagen is sourced from sustainably harvested cold water fish in Italy. Marine-sourced collagen is generally more sustainable, economical, and environmentally friendly. The percentage of a fish that's collagen is very high, and collagen yields from the non-flesh portion of fish can be between 50 and 70%, which makes marine collagen a sustainable source. Using marine-sourced collagen makes MetaPWR Advantage friendly for those who avoid cow or pig-sourced collagen. On the topic of ingredients, I'll note here that MetaPWR products are gluten-free, dairy-free, corn-free, and keto-friendly. The products are also free of maltodextrin, carrageenan, glyphosate, artificial sweeteners, and added sugars. Some people want to know what the best regimen is for MetaPWR. The best regimen is the one you'll follow. Earlier in this module, there's a video about customizing your MetaPWR use to fit your lifestyle. Customizing your use is important because everyone's goals and needs are different. With MetaPWR Advantage, it should be taken once daily, but it can be taken twice daily if desired. MetaPWR Assist should be taken once daily with your largest meal. Remember, MetaPWR is only part of the equation. Exercise, healthy meals, and sleep are all essential to a MetaPWR regimen and are also subject to personalization, depending on individual goals and circumstances. And regarding whether a MetaPWR regimen can be combined with other supplementation, the answer is absolutely. The doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack is what I recommend as the foundation of all supplementation routines to give your body the micronutrients it needs to function optimally. Can young kids and teenagers use MetaPWR? Most don't need their benefits the same way adults do. The focus for children and teens should be eating a balanced diet to support growth, as well as movement and plenty of sleep. doTERRA has 2 supplements specifically designed to support a child's nutritional needs: A to Z Chewables and IQ Mega. Will a vegan version of MetaPWR Advantage be made available? doTERRA tries to provide vegetarian or vegan-friendly supplement options wherever possible. Those who don't wish to consume fish or marine-based products because of diet restrictions or personal preferences may be wondering whether a vegan MetaPWR Advantage will be available. Well, collagen is synthesized by animals and available exclusively from them. Sometimes you may see products marketed as vegan collagen. However, if you look closely at them, you realize they're usually a collection of vegan-sourced amino acids, not the actual collagen tripeptides. If you have any other questions, reach out to our member services